Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you unsubscribe from bulk email with one tap in Gmail. Now, unsubscribing from bulk email in Gmail can be done with one tap using Manage Subscription feature. So what here you need to do is just launch open your Gmail onto your device. There, tap the menu from the left-hand side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the very bottom. You can find Manage Subscription, select that out. And this is where you could go ahead and unsubscribe from bulk email with one tap. All you need is just go and select the button and then select the unsubscribe. Like this, you want to make sure to go ahead and do it for all of these options available or all of these apps or applications. And this way, you'll be able to unsubscribe from bulk email with one tap. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And if you're having any sort of issue, you might want to make sure to update the app or make sure you're connected to a stable internet as well.